Silence, everyone! Silence! I'm out of control! Fuck off!
I hate this breakfast fight! Everyone be silent, otherwise I will not give you breakfast!
Today, I've brought an absolutely brand new and powerful niche idea for all of you. First of all, let's head over to TikTok. Once you're there, search for a channel called Proper Peepa Tech. Now, if you look at this channel, you'll notice something very interesting. It currently has around 135K followers and over 1.9 million likes. This clearly shows one thing. This channel is highly trending and its content is extremely unique. Now, let me scroll down and show you their latest videos. Just take a look at the views. Some videos have hundreds of thousands of views, while many others have crossed millions, like 9.2 million and 1.5 million views. This means one thing: this new cartoon-style content niche is exploding right now. And today, I've brought this exact same niche opportunity for you, because honestly, I believe very few people are working on this properly, and as always, I try to bring you fresh and untapped ideas. Now, if you go through their videos one by one, you'll notice how unique and engaging they are. For example, in one video, two characters are fighting in a funny way. In another, there's a family picnic scene that suddenly gets canceled. So basically, these are simple cartoon-style storytelling videos that are getting massive engagement on TikTok. Now here's the exciting part. I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos step by step. So without wasting any time, I've already prepared a master prompt for you. Inside this master prompt, I've included everything: character design, character details, story flow scene, actions, emotions, and interactions. All you need to do is copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT. After pasting, simply write, "Give me 10 unique prompts," and just like that, you'll get 10 fully ready, high-quality prompts instantly. You can see here, each prompt is unique, detailed, ready for production. Also, I will provide you with image prompts, video prompts, so you can generate exactly the same type of content without any confusion. If you want the full master prompt, you can simply comment below and I'll share it with you. But don't worry, I'll also give you direct prompts in the description. Now let's move to the image generation section. Today, I'll show you how to create both images and videos using Flow AI. First, click on Create with Flow, then go to New Project. After selecting the tools, simply paste your first prompt and click on Generate Now. Wait for a few seconds. And boom! Look at that! That's an amazing cartoon-style image with a consistent character design. You can see a family enjoying at a zoo park with a gorilla in the background. Everything looks perfectly generated. Now I copy the second prompt, paste it again, click Generate. And again, wow! Another high-quality image is ready. This proves something very important. The prompts are strong, the characters remain consistent, and the results are impressive. Now I'll repeat this process for all prompts, prompt 3, 4, 5, all the way to 10, and after a short wait, boom, all images are ready. You can review them one by one. Every single image is unique, trendy, high quality. Now I'll download all images in 2K quality so I can easily convert them into videos and use them professionally. Now let's move to the video section, and that's how you can create viral cartoon content, trending videos, and build your own successful channel. If you follow this method properly, you can easily enter this high-demand niche and start getting massive views. All right, viewers, now let's move to the video section. For creating videos, what you need to do is very simple. First, I select my first image, the one I want to convert into a video. After selecting it, I drag it down to the plus option below. Now let me tell you something important. I personally use Veo 3.1 Lite, which consumes 10 credits per video. And the best part is, Flow AI gives you 50 credits daily, which means you can easily generate 5 videos every single day. Now, go to the prompt section, copy your video prompt, and paste it here. After that, simply click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first video has started generating. Now you need to stay patient. Just wait for about a minute. And as you can see, the video is being generated smoothly. Let me show you the final result.
Everything was normal until the gorilla looked back.
Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. You can see the animation, the motion, the expression. Everything looks so clean and engaging. This is exactly the kind of cartoon-style content that is trending massively right now. And just like that, my first video is ready. Only 8 seconds long, created using just 10 credits. Now I select my second image. Again, I go to the prompt section, copy the prompt, paste it, and click on Generate. As you can see, the second video is now generating. Again, wait for about a minute. And boom! This is again absolutely amazing. You can see a household scene where the dad is cooking, there's chaos, funny problems are happening. Everything looks super engaging. Now I move to the third image. I give it a proper prompt, click on Generate, and after a short wait, wow, this is incredible. You can see a teacher getting angry in class, students are disturbing him, and the scene turns into a funny situation. Everything looks so natural and entertaining. So far, I've generated 3 videos, and all of them are high quality and engaging. Now I select my fourth image, add the prompt, click Generate. And now my fourth video starts processing. After a short wait, yes. The fourth video is ready.
I hate this breakfast fight! Everyone be silent, otherwise I will not give you breakfast!
And once again, it looks amazing. Now I move to the last image. I add the prompt carefully, click Generate, and now my final video is ready.
This trip was not what they expected, so everyone unpacking and go to work.
Now let me tell you something important about Flow AI. Flow AI is continuously improving and adding more powerful tools day by day. You'll start receiving updates via email, and their privacy system is also becoming stronger. Now I download all my videos because I want to take them into editing and arrange them into proper sequences. For editing, I open my CapCut editor. After opening it, I upload all the videos. Once uploaded, I drag them into a sequence timeline. Now I decide which clip should come first, which should come next. To remove the logo, I simply apply a slight zoom on the video. And just like that, the logo is removed cleanly. Now you can see the final look of my video. Everything is perfectly arranged. Now I simply export the video in my preferred quality, and boom, my final video is completely ready. This clearly shows that my prompts are powerful, the results are high quality, and this method really works. You will find all my prompts in the description, and if you want the master prompt, just comment below. I'll provide it to you. All right, viewers, I hope you really like this new idea. My goal is to bring you fresh and powerful ideas daily, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support means everything. I'll see you in the next video with another amazing idea. Until then, goodbye and take care.